So in this EQ Bank tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to deposit a check here on EQ Bank. So once you guys open up the app, if you go to the bottom right, go ahead and press deposit. It'll then bring it to this screen right here where you can go ahead and deposit a check. So it's pretty self-explanatory, pretty simple. So let's say you have a check for $200. You go to the top here and type in the exact amount. Then where it says deposit to, you can select the account that you want to deposit the check into. So if you wanted it to go to your savings account, RSP, whatever the case may be, that's where you'd select it. And then you have to go ahead and actually take a photo of it. So like a lot of other apps out there, take a photo by pressing front of your check, take a photo of the back of your check. Then the deposit button's going to light up right now. Press on deposit. It may take a couple days to fully transfer to your account, but it's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. That is how to deposit a check into your bank account on EQ Bank. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.